Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a really quick look at Polygon here. As we can see, it does look as though it is continuing to retrace here. Not really showing that much respect to the 618 here. As we can see, we've got a little bit of a bounce at the 618. But right now looking like we're going back down again, selling off and retesting that swing low that we just made a few days ago. And as I said in the previous video from yesterday, it's most likely that if we do lose this area here, we'll at least come down to retest the swing low here. I've got another small long position as I am continuing to scale in to a long position for Polygon here. You can see I had a long position here on the 618 and at this swing low here, which will be filled fairly soon if we do continue down like this. I've also got a much larger long position down at the 050 if we do see ourselves coming up, back down into this area and then bouncing. Although in my opinion, we'll probably see a bounce fairly soon for the market. We've had quite a few red days in a row here for Polygon. Obviously right now we are being led down by Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is currently leading the market. Obviously you can see Bitcoin getting rejected at that range high that we drew in literally almost a year ago now. When was this? June last year. So you can see here obviously we've got a rejected here, came back down and retraced, a little bit of a coiling, consolidating motion right now. You can see the bearish divergence that has come in here, so you can probably expect a little bit of a back test back down here in this area in my opinion. But for Polygon, you can see we are just currently selling off still, having a little bit of a retrace till we find some decent support. But the best thing about Polygon's chart is the fact that we have made all this really nice structure here, haven't we? You can see we had a run, consolidate, run, and then we're coming back down here for another consolidation before potentially another run. I do think we're probably heading up over the next few weeks. But right now still retracing, coming down, retesting some previous swing lows until we do see what is going to happen next with the wider market. So that is it for today guys. I'm only doing really quick updates today. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord. You can hang out with me and some other investors as we discuss cryptocurrency going forward. So if you do want to support the channel, that would be a great way to do so, and I'll see you in the next video.